Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys what I did to decorate my kitchen table for Christmas. This is basically going to be a informal decorate with me. This is a table that we don't use a lot, but it is in the kitchen, so it's not like a formal eating area. So I just wanted to keep it nice but as simple as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing. Right now I'm just wiping everything off because we want to start with a clean space, and then I'll be adding in the items in a few minutes, which you'll see. So you're gonna see me messing around with this for a little bit. I had a couple ideas of what I wanted to do, but nothing was set in stone. So right now I'm just trying to figure out and play around with the look a little bit to decide, which look I wanted to go for. And as you can see, I decided to go ahead and keep the napkins folded over the back of the plate. And the napkins, I wanted to actually press them out, but I had kind of a busy week, so I never got around to that. So I just went ahead and use them like this without pressing them out. But usually, on a good day, or if this was going to be something very formal, definitely I would press those out or either steam them out so there would be no wrinkles in them.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and
Here I wanted to add some separation on the table, so I went ahead and added some eucalyptus to two of the plates just to show that they were, like you would say, the head of the table. So I wanted to go ahead and decorate two plates a little different and have the other ones to be the same.
is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed.
I also had two silver chargers that I had a while ago from the dollar store, so I went ahead and added those under the plates as well. And you know, the plates I have, I got those from my godmother. Those were a housewarming gift. The placemats were from Amazon. The napkins I got from, I believe it was Old Time Pottery. The eucalyptus was from Walmart. It's something that I've had. Those glasses, I purchased those from Kirkland's this year, along with the centerpiece that's on the table. But everything else I basically, you know, already had besides the placemats, and just reuse what I already had. I definitely love how it came out. If you guys like this, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Welcome to my channel, and also think about subscribing. And for my oldies, I would like to say thank you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys, and I love doing these kind of videos for you guys. So again, if it's something that you like, definitely leave any comments below, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.